So next, when the backdrop switches to the level 1, I want my bird to appear right here in the middle of the screen. So let's go ahead and say under events, we could say when backdrop switches to level 1, we are going to do a go to XY right here, right? So we'll go ahead and grab the go to XY. That's going to start them out at this location, and we want to program it so we can control the bird. And so I'll go ahead and show you how to make the bird move in an upward direction, and then you could apply the same technique to make him move to the right and to the left and downward as well. Okay. So the way that it's going to go is you're going to go to control and say, actually event, and we're going to say when the button is pressed. And which button are we talking about? Well, for the bird, we're going to use WASD to control him, and to move upward, we're going to use the W key. So I want to say when W key is pressed, and then scroll down a bit and get repeat until. Go to operators and get not, and sensing, and we could say key pressed, right? So I'm going to get a W right there. So when W key is pressed, keep on doing whatever I put inside of this loop until I let go of the W key. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is under motion, I'm going to say change Y by 5. Okay. And so let's go ahead and test that out. I come over here and I press the W key, and my bird flies upward. And so let's go ahead and see if all of that works. Okay, and so now I'm here and I want to press my W key to fly up, and it works, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and let you program the ASD portion, and then your bird will be able to fly around the screen. Another thing we want to do here before we leave is to start this level with the background music playing, right? So right here under when backdrop switches to level 1, we can go under sound, and we could say play until done, and we want this sound to go on forever, okay, for however long this level is. And so I'm going to go ahead and say, forever, put it around that, and I'm not going to do tennis hit. I'm actually going to do, the sound is actually in the backdrops, so I'm going to go ahead and throw that away, and let me go over here to backdrops, and I'm going to put that same bit of code here. I'm going to say when backdrop switches to level 1, I'm going to say forever, and then under sound I'm going to say play until done, and I'm going to do level 1. Okay, so let's check and see if that works. So there we go, right? And now we have background music, and after this task you should have a bird that flies around the screen.